Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here. I got my channel hacker out here harvesting some collard greens today. Well, this evening. We got some smothered cube steak on the stove and some rice. And we're going to have some collard greens with some turkey necks. And as y'all can see, my collard greens have been going crazy. So he's helping me out today with harvest. But tomorrow he said he's going to do a lot of work for me in the yard tomorrow because my hip and my back hurt, you guys. So this is what it's looking like in the collard green raised bed. Shoot, we got how many out here? So I haven't been able to get out and harvest as much as I like, but you can see everything is still looking very lush and green. We've been having some hot weather come through. Not hot, you guys, just warm weather. 75, 77, kind of weird. But I've been making some preparation throughout the yard, and I will bring you guys some footage on that. I got a lot of different plans in place, and last year I had a lot of plans in place too, but I didn't get to a lot of them. So hopefully the ones that I did start, he trying to make it rain. So hopefully the ones that I did start last year, I'll be able to finish them off because it's probably going to be a very busy summer for us. So I'm going to try to beat the heat like I did last year. Got off to a really good start. Wasn't stressed out in the heat wave of the summer. So I was glad with the early progress that I made last year. But so you guys, check this out. My son actually was able to get the right and my left side mulched up again with all the free wood chips that we got last year. There were 3 truckloads that I had got. You guys, you know, I totally forgot to get to that, but we finally did. So the mound is actually going down. We did some work over in the new trellis area as well. So we've been doing a lot of mulching around the yard, lots and lots of mulching. So we still got some work to do, but we're gonna get it done. And this is actually a really beautiful evening. Look, we still got collard greens growing in buckets. All right, that's looking good. I think that'll feed us tonight. What you think, Devin?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Yeah, he loves collard greens. All right, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.